hard, like you would. Wait a minute.
Oh crap, I was filming it sideways the whole time.
No, it's okay.
Do it again.
I didn't say you had to be expressionist.
Take a piece of paper and write a 4-line poem starting with the words, 4-line poem commencing now. Recite the poem to your opponents. If you laugh, pay the penalty. You have until the beginning of your next turn to read the poem. For now, announce that your turn is over and get to work on your poetry.
What?
Backwards!
I have no idea what it is.
Backwards! Backwards!
Backwards.
Backwards?
Are you allowed to laugh?
I don't think into it. It says, put both of your wrists on your forehead and sing the word of this sentence backwards in a foreign accent.
4-line poem commencing now. Want to learn to dance? I can show you how. Dance music, please. Pow! Okay.
You may only pick things up using your thumb and pinky for the remainder of the game. Be safe. I don't have the strength in my pinky. Oh, it's you, be
Wow. Okay, what did you just do? What?
He's saying the words
You're
backwards.
supposed to go, sentence, distant words,
Wait a minute. Come on.
Keep going. Keep going.
Encore.
your own risk, your...
It's like...